Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're doing a second bridal shower this week. So the first one was the lilac and pink setup that I put up, and this is my second of this week. I guess we're in wedding season because December is what the wedding month. So let's set up. Okay, so this bridal shower was a movie night theme, so they wanted me to incorporate that in the backdrop. So that's why I kind of used like the reels, in their pictures and made it black and white, sort of to blend in. Yeah, so that was my inspiration behind it. So this is me putting on the sticker on the board, and yeah, I was done with the sticker. Now let's go to blowing up the balloons. Okay, so for the balloons for today, we decided to go for black, white, and gold, something classic, something also retro as well. Yeah, to give that whole to blend with like our sticker. Yeah, so this is the black in 12 inches. This is also metallic gold in 12 inches as well. And our white also in 12 inches. Yeah, so we're going to start blowing that up. Alrighty, so this was the final look. I really like how it looked with the bows. I think it really tied it all together, made it look so pretty. There's one for the books. Yeah, I really love this. Thank you so much for watching. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe. Love you. Bye.